Hi, I'm Imal Aswath. I'm going to teach for 12th standard. The chapter is continuity and differentiability. Find dy by dx if sine of xy plus x by y equal to x square minus y. This is a NCERT exemplar question. An important question also. Here it is a function sine of xy. So first here sine of xy plus x by y equal to x square minus y. So dy by dx you have to find. So differentiate with respect to x. So sine of xy is first cos xy. Then next you have to differentiate this one xy. This is here we are going to use the UV method. So that is x into dy by dx plus y. Differentiation of x is 1. So this one completed. Then next here this one is uv method, here u by v method. So here y square, then keep y as like that, then differentiate x, what you get is 1, then minus, then keep x like that, x as a constant, and differentiate y, that is dy by dx, dy by dx, that is equal to x square, that is 2x, then differentiation of y is dy by dx. Now you have to collect y dy by dx terms separately and other things separately. So first here cos xy, x into dy by dx. So here x into cos xy dy by dx. Then here it is this one y cos xy. So you have to collect it, bring to the next that is next side. Then here y by y square. So this also here no dy by dx. Then here minus x into dy by dx by y square. So minus x by y square dy by dx. Then here this one plus dy by dx. Here next here it is equal to 2x. Then here y cos xy, y cos xy. So here plus, therefore next side minus y cos xy. Then here y by y square, that is equal to 1 by y, 1 by y. So here minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y. So how many times? 1, 2, then here also 2, 4, then 6 times. So count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. Now here x by y square, so multiply by y square. So x y square cos xy, then minus here y square is having, so LCM we take LCM, so x, here y square. So here y, here dy by dx, x by y square dy by dx. So here y square. So plus y square dy by dx. Then here in the denominator you are having y square. Sorry, y square dy by dx is the common. So here take outside. Then here y square. So 2x y square. 2x y square. Then here y cube minus y cube cos xy. Then here y square by y, so y, so minus y. Now what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to this one 2x y square minus y cube cos xy minus y divided by xy square cos xy minus x plus y square. This is dy by dx. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.